this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm sharing a very lovely card with you all. This is a one-sheet project and it is made with Minte paper, one of my new favorite brands, as you may know. The paper line is called Berrylicious and it has these lovely blue and white and red colors. And well, it is perfect for your 4th of July days, or like in the Netherlands, King's Day or Liberation Day. Anything that, well, celebrates the colors of your flag, if those colors are red, white and blue, which I believe several countries have as their national colors in one way or the other. So Netherlands as well. Well, this has some green too, but well, you catch my drift. So this is not the stars and stripes type of 4th of July card, because it's not a 4th of July collection. So I was mainly focusing on the color theme and giving you an alternative to celebrate your national colors anyway, without necessarily using the actual flag. So this makes it perfect for several countries and several national holidays, or just for fun if you just like these colors. So it's a one-sheet project, as I told you, and let's take a look up close. So here we go. As I said, this is created with only one sheet, in this case cardstock. You could also use one sheet of double-sided paper only and do the card. That is in the tutorial in my shop, by the way. So let's open it up. And I did some stamping here. I stamped homemade and I stamped a curly bit here. I have also done some iterations that I have put a journaling spot right here. And then you would close your card over the text that you wrote. So that is just a choice, a variation. I did a lot of decorative elements here, some flowers, some leaves, and a piece of trim here. And I fussy cut the little butterfly and put it upright here with some glitter glue. Let's go to the back. Beautiful paper, so I just thought I would showcase the paper. Now in the tutorial there is a variation where I fold this corner back and then back on itself again with a brad, so that is a special effect, and you would see the tag inside the pocket. You would see it peeking out here, and you could do all kind of special effects. So that is in the tutorial. So here you see a different variation with a punched out half circle here. So now you have two variations. Now let's see what is inside. Now this goes to my mom, so that is why I put a picture of myself. So this is put on a background of that same paper. So you can very easily take a picture of your card or your paper and then put yourself digitally in front of it and then print it. So now here I am in front of the paper. So that is a nice effect, and I put the flower here because it would peek out of the little circle there. Now on the back, I left myself some room to write the actual message. So this is my mom, so I'm going to write a little bit more than I would perhaps do if I would send this to a friend or a relation or an acquaintance, and then I would have enough of the smaller space on the inside here. But now I chose this one, and then there is another pocket here on the top. So we saw this one, this is one pocket, but there's another pocket, so it's not the same pocket, there's actually two pockets. Now I use this to put a tag made from the same double-sided sheet, so it's very nicely finished. You could also use a piece of cardstock with some pictures on both sides, or what I've also done in a different variation is printing text on one side, so the text that you want to send out to someone, the message, and then put a picture on the other side. And well, there are many variations, the things that you can do with these tags. In this case, I stamped a nice stamp. May the God of hope fill you with joy and peace as you trust in him, which is a very lovely sentiment and a beautiful stamp, I think. So that is going to my mom. So this is a great card with not a lot of material needed, and yet a lot of bang for your buck and a lot of paper real estate to send out messages and pictures, and even a hidden spot here and 2 large pockets. So there you go. And this is all in my Etsy shop. It is tutorial number 9 and it is a 1-sheet card. So thank you for watching, guys, and press the like if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell for notifications so that you will be notified every time I upload something cute. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.